Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Hope you're having a great day. Right now we're taking a look at some romaine lettuce. It's growing in the understory. This one's a little bigger. That's the biggest one I see here. And then we've got one over there too. So they're real slow growing, it seems. And at this location they've received minimal nutrients and pretty much no help. Just water in this sandy soil. So no mulch, none of that. But going forward, what I'd like to do is test the mulching out. I wanted to be able to give you something to compare and contrast from as far as videos go when you don't mulch versus when you do. Anyhow, stay tuned because I'll be providing you updates on the progress of these romaine lettuce heads. Thanks for watching and have a good day.